This was an incredible season of Renovation Resort.
Woo-wee! Come on, McGillivray! Let's go!
We don't get to spend a lot of quality time together anymore.
Yeah, that's by design.
It is, it's great.
Yeah. That's great. Over the water? Are you kidding me? There's no screws on the back of that bracket, you... Oh, payback's difficult, isn't it?
Is it the destination or the journey that's more important?
Well, I'll tell you something about the journey.
Your final destination.
It's been a rough ride.
Oh, there we go. 2 men in a canoe. You know, if we lay down in this canoe, we could get under the bridge.
You need to enjoy the journey or the destination won't be worth it.
It's gonna be.
This is a terrible idea! We're doing the lift.
It's gonna be.
You don't have the abs for this. Oh.
Well, the destination, I can assure you, is not worth it.
It doesn't need ice. It has a mechanism that makes the water cold already. Oh!
Okay. It might have been a little full. Where's the timer?
Start the timer!
What do you think your best feature is? I think mine is kindness.
Then my best feature is gonna be honesty.
Say something nice about me.
Oh, it's gonna be tough.
Should we time lapse this?
All of a sudden, long beard, long hair. I got something, just wait.
I mean, for me, having the double vanity is a win.
Who's got more product? And
I knew it! Irina! He didn't even finish.
Oh, I knew what he was gonna say. The hair.
You got a full drawer.
Stop it. Scott's side has all the good stuff. Bryan's side, just shave.
That's why Scott's always late to work and I'm always early.
It's getting hot.
Keep it down over there.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Are you kidding me?
I could do this all day. You do seem very tense.
Mm-hmm. Don't touch me. I feel privileged to do what I do. Good luck.
Oh, my hair. You're going to melt.
I'm melting!
Oh, get me an umbrella. He's going to melt.
To wake up and to be able to create things and do what I love and even work with some pretty incredible people from time to time.
You got to get in there. I mean,
Well, Bryan, stop making waves.
you know what I found out yesterday?
Oh.
Yeah. He's very ticklish. He's very ticklish.
Stop it! Stop it!
Oh,
Yeah.
I concur. These two walls feel a little bit empty, even with the whatever that is. What is that? There you go.
I can't.
If you grew your hair out, that's what it would look like.
What is that?
We're doing a Freaky Friday. You guys are switching.
Yeah. You look beautiful.
Oh, you're so handsome. What happened?
I don't know, but
Oh my God. Are you?
It's like looking in a mirror. This is Scott McGillivray, ready, prepare. I'm going to cast.
You know what? It's nice to have the breeze on my head.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah, it's nice.
I feel a song coming on.
I feel a song coming on.
You know, I would say we should start a boy band, but I hear that's been done.
Yeah, it didn't work out well for me. It's like a hug.
It's just like a hug.
I feel hugged.
Oh,
You know what?
this is nice.
This actually wasn't a bad plan.